Get rid of cough in your child. If you or your child are coughing, take this supernatural syrup to quickly get rid of the cough. It also works for a dry cough, a cough with mucus, the flu, and a runny nose. To start, take an orange and cut it in half. Make a small hole inside. This will allow the juice to come out. Then gently cook the orange to release all the juice. This natural syrup will provide you with a large amount of vitamin C to strengthen your immune system and relieve coughing. Next, take the orange with tongs as it will be hot. Using a spoon, mix inside the fruit to release even more juice. Now add a pinch of sugar and a pinch of salt. The sugar will add a pleasant flavor to the syrup, while the salt will help soothe the irritated throat. Using a syringe, you can extract this natural syrup. Take it every 2 hours to relieve cough and cold symptoms. Save the video and subscribe for more natural recipes.